There is one city globally that can take an idea in your head and turn it into a working product in less than 24 hours. Not in theory, not in Silicon Valley pitch decks, but in real life, right here in Shenzhen. And that's why young, smart entrepreneurs from all over the world are quietly coming here. Shenzhen, in the Greater Bay Area of China, right above Hong Kong, is not just the Silicon Valley of the East. It is one of the only places on Earth where you can go from idea to prototype to small batch product without leaving the same metro system. Today, I'll show you why Shenzhen is basically an outsourced full R&D team, manufacturing network, and startup accelerator for solo entrepreneurs that they can hire. In most countries, building a product looks like this: idea, design, wait weeks, find suppliers, wait again, then maybe prototype. In Shenzhen, the loop looks like this: idea, walk to market, buy parts, print prototype, test, repeat, not in weeks or months, but in days, sometimes hours. You don't need an expensive full engineering team. AI tools plus CAD designers are everywhere. The city is stacked with resources you need. Shenzhen has product maker spaces that allows rapid prototyping using industrial-grade 3D printers, CNC machines, and electronics tools. This is where ideas physically become objects. This is where Shenzhen becomes unmatched, as no other city gives you what Shenzhen provides access to. Need a motor, battery, sensor, camera module? You don't have to wait for shipping. You walk a few meters and buy it instantly. Once your prototype works, small factories can produce low MOQ batches quickly, sometimes within days. This ecosystem isn't just for engineers. It enables anyone with an idea to build products. Say for smart hardware, you can build AI voice recorders, smart glasses, or translation devices. For EV or electric vehicle accessories, products such as ambient lighting kits, HUD displays, charging system could be interesting as the EV market itself grows traction due to the recent Middle East and oil crisis. Under consumer electronics, wireless earbuds, gaming accessories, portable gadgets are strong contenders. Under smart home devices, smart plugs, security cameras, air sensors could help households to live smarter, save energy costs while staying safer. The very unique product area is created tools, with products like lighting kits, portable mic systems, content creator bundles under your own very brand. All these products mentioned are not new inventions, but an ultra-fast combination of existing modules only possible in Shenzhen. But here's the part most people don't talk about. While you're building your product in Shenzhen, you're also living in one of the most underrated luxury environments in the world. We're talking about 5-star hotels, global brands, the same level you'd find in New York, London, or Paris. Except here, they cost a fraction of the price. Hotels that would easily cost $800 to $1,500 a night in the West, you can often stay in here for $150 to $300. That's not just travel savings, that's runway. In most countries, the biggest bottleneck for prototyping is the distance between design, parts, and manufacturing clusters. In Shenzhen, all three exist within a 30-minute radius. That's why iteration speed is insane. You can fail today, fix it tomorrow, and relaunch the next day. This is why young entrepreneurs globally are paying attention to Shenzhen and GBA, or the Greater Bay Area. Because you don't need millions in funding anymore to build a hardware brand. You just need an idea and access to this ecosystem. Shenzhen is not just a manufacturing city. It is a real-world startup accelerator for physical products. This city is democratizing product entrepreneurship. So the question is no longer, can you build a product? The questions to you are, what will you build and how fast can you get to Shenzhen?